Hello and welcome to our session, Getting to Know IGEL Customer Experience, Success Through Commitment. The Customer Experience Group, known as the CX team for short, was established within IGEL to reinforce our commitment to keeping perfectly aligned with our customers' diverse needs. As the name suggests, customer satisfaction is our highest priority, and with that in mind, we utilize the relationships our engineers build with our clients to collect feedback and insight into their requirements, and then quickly adapt our offerings to match as required. In the following slides, you'll get an overview of what the CX team can do to make you successful with IGEL products and services. One of the first teams you'll come into contact with from IGEL Customer Experience is our onboarding team. Shortly after signing on as an IGEL customer, a renewals and onboarding specialist will reach out to you and arrange an onboarding call with you and your team members. During this onboarding session, our specialist will educate you on all the content and services that IGEL provides to help ensure a successful deployment of your IGEL products. As part of this session, the specialist will help you create accounts that will provide you access to our support organization, our license portal, and our IGEL community. They'll also spend some time describing our advanced services offerings and our IGEL Academy, where members of your team can improve their IGEL skill set through our online training library. This session usually takes just under an hour, and by the time you finish, you'll know exactly where to go when you need anything IGEL related. Your renewals and onboarding specialist has one goal in mind: to keep you, the customer, happy. So feel free to reach out directly to your specialist whenever you have a question or problem and you're unsure of where to go for the solution. If your specialist is unable to answer your question or fix your problem, you can rest assured they'll track down the right IGEL resource who can help you. Your specialist will also ensure that you're kept abreast of all upcoming renewals, whether it's for product licenses, product subscriptions, support subscriptions, or services subscriptions. Next, let's talk about the IGEL community, a place for IGEL's customers, partners, and anyone interested in learning more about IGEL. The IGEL community was founded with the simple goal of creating a place where IGEL's partners, customers, prospects, and anyone who might want to learn about IGEL to go. Once inside, you'll have the ability to meet other like-minded IT pros, IGEL engineers, and all-around fun folks, ask questions and get answers quickly from IGEL and other customers and IGEL partners who are facing the same battles. Keep up to date on the latest releases, including IGEL's interim private build releases. Brainstorm ideas, like for feature requests, and see them end up in future releases. Build relationships that will last you a lifetime. Have fun being part of the best community in the EUC space, and even chat with a hedgehog named Ike. Plus, so much more. IGEL community is built using Slack, the world's leading tool for collaboration. Slack is where conversations happen, decisions are made, and the information is always at your fingertips. The IGEL community on Slack is available via any browser, a local Windows or Mac app, and even on your mobile device, Android, iPhone, and your favorite tablet. Today, we're proud to say that the IGEL community has over 4,300 members who represent over 80 countries and 2,900 different companies. Not to mention, in just 2.5 years together, we have posted over 140,000 messages. Talk about active. This place is a techie wonderland. In fact, the community is said to be better than sliced bread, a tropical beach in wintertime, and winning the lotto. Who wouldn't want to join a group like that? Well, we can talk all day about the benefits of the IGEL community, but it's always best to hear from our members. We especially love this quote from one of our community members, Zachary, as it truly hits the mark on what we're trying to do with the IGEL community. Just wanted to reach out and say thank you to everyone in this community. Every single issue that we've had during our rollout has been solved due to either direct do this type of responses or an indirect fine based on the advice of where to look next. Sometimes I just scroll through the questions and comments to learn how to accomplish things I didn't even know I needed to know. So cool. Thanks to all of you. I truly love IGEL, and this community is fantastic. That says it all. And at the end of the day, we make happy customers, partners, and members. We hope you'll join. We would love to have you with us. So how do you join? It's easy. Just go to join.igelcommunity.com. You'll be prompted to fill out a short registration page, and then you'll receive an email from Slack prompting you to opt in to our Slack group. Though we don't stop there. The IGEL community is more than our Slack group. Of course, you'll find a lot of information inside Slack, but we also have a few more resources that we think you'll love. Please visit the IGEL community website, where you'll find a slew of great tech resources. For example, an up-to-date list of all the latest IGEL software releases with links to the release notes and where to download. Our Getting Started guides that will walk you from downloading the product to a complete IGEL UMS, ICG, and IGEL OS running, all screenshot by screenshot. It could not be easier to follow and packed with links to learn more. A custom partition store, a place where you can download custom partition templates that help you in building custom partitions for the most popular applications. The IGEL community blog that is packed with the top tech news, resources, articles, and videos that will make your life that much easier in your quest to support IGEL technologies. A list of our upcoming events, meetups, webinars, and so much more. They'll blow your mind. Deep tech, no marketing fluff found here. Even a link to the IGEL community GitHub repo that is filled with great resources such as PS IGEL, a PowerShell mod that makes it easy for you to write PowerShell that works with our IMI interface. A community hardware compatibility list that will help you find and share hardware that works with IGEL OS, all crowdsourced from our IGEL community members. And so much more. Well, we hope you'll join us in community. We think you'll love it. See you on the inside. In this section, we'll cover another critical part of our customer experience organization, IGEL Advanced Services. IGEL's Global Advanced Services organization provides 3 distinct offerings to enhance your IGEL experience. The IGEL Advanced Services paths are Consulting and Implementation, Technical Relationship Manager, or TRM, and our education path through IGEL's e-learning platform, IGEL Academy. Let's dig a bit deeper into the IGEL Advanced Services offerings. IGEL Professional Services provides focused consulting activities which may include development of an architectural design of your IGEL infrastructure, evaluation of your workflows, and use cases, as well as implementation assistance for your production environment. Professional services may be engaged to analyze and evaluate your existing environment as it aligns with IGEL best practices and standards, resulting in valuable feedback and deeper understanding of your IGEL estate. If, for example, you have an existing environment, but your company has recently expanded or acquired additional endpoints via a merger or acquisition, IGEL Professional Services can be engaged to prepare your environment for growth utilizing a redesign session, providing a strategy and roadmap for you to grow into. Or perhaps you just need to bring in someone to assist with a specific configuration or workflow, troubleshoot and resolve a specific problem, or other IGEL-related activity. Whatever the scenario, we'll find a solution to fit your needs. IGEL Professional Services provides a consulting resource that is focused on your needs and with increasing the business value and return on investment of your IGEL purchase. IGEL trained and certified resources assist customers in realizing time to value after the IGEL decision has been made. IGEL Professional Services can be engaged using any one of the following solution types: milestone-based solutions, deliverable-based solutions, and flexible consulting day solutions. Let's look at each one of these in a bit more detail. These packages are designed to systematically analyze, plan, deploy, test, and validate your IGEL infrastructure environment and core use cases. Based on the number of endpoints, high availability, use case complexity, number of data center sites, along with other factors, a quick start consulting package can be catered to your specific needs. These packages are milestone-based and have specific documentation deliverables included to provide you with infrastructure, configuration, and workflows that are based on IGEL best practices. Quick Start packages ensure that your new IGEL environment is quickly up and running and/or your upgrade and expansion will meet the needs and demands of your growing IGEL estate. These Quick Start packages include many of the deliverable-based package attributes in a more concise package that, again, focuses on improving time to value. Deliverable-based solutions include packages that allow you to put specific focus on various areas of your IGEL environment. The Health Check service is a formal evaluation of the current state of your IGEL environment from the infrastructure to your endpoints. The consultant will analyze your environment and provide documented recommendations with areas of improvement and alignment to IGEL best practices as a deliverable. The Design Workshop service is intended to develop a net new, or in the case of existing customers, an expanded architecture document that reflects your desired end state. This package ensures that your environment is engineered and deployed in accordance to IGEL architectural reference designs and provides you a documented roadmap to success. The Business Continuity Accelerator package is specifically designed for existing IGEL customers that wish to add a work-from-home solution to expand their current capabilities. This package includes design and implementation of the IGEL Cloud Gateway product and a technical resource to assist with the implementation and initial deployment of your work-from-home IGEL solution. Finally, the Production Pilot package is a paid solution that allows you to move past a proof of value when you aren't quite ready to go full production. This solution can help finalize and validate pre-production use cases that were difficult to cover in proof of value activities. Flexible consulting day solutions are designed to fill in the gaps from the milestone and deliverable-based packages. Consulting days can be purchased and be used to extend any of the previously described offerings or used to custom design your own consulting engagement. Consulting days are time and material-based solutions with a fixed daily cost, and the prioritization of consulting activities are at the customer's discretion. The following slides give you a more detailed view of these solutions. As you can see from the slide above, the packages are designed to build off one another. For existing environments, a health check may be desired to better understand the current state prior to upgrades or infrastructure expansion. Based on the output of that activity, a design workshop can be used for the expansion efforts, but would also be the starting point for a Quick Start package in preparation for a new environment. As noted previously, the Quick Start package levels are based on the number of endpoints, complexity of use cases, and the infrastructure needs. Finally, the daily consulting can be used as a standalone solution or extension of your consulting needs. The additional details regarding deliverable-based packages is shown here. Again, these packages are for net new customers with specific pre-production needs or existing customers looking to expand their IGEL infrastructure to support work-from-home initiatives. This covers the foundational offerings of IGEL professional services. Let's move on to the Technical Relationship Manager offering. So, what is the IGEL Technical Relationship Manager, or TRM, service? The TRM service is a subscription-based, renewable service designed to accelerate IGEL solution adoption and increase your return on investment. TRMs leverage IGEL best practices and have access to internal IGEL resources to enhance the technical customer experience. Technical relationship managers become a core part of the customer's technical team for all things IGEL. The TRM plays the role of IGEL technical contact to the customer and liaison between the customer and IGEL for technical activities. TRMs assist customers with troubleshooting, proactive planning, testing and deployment activities, knowledge transfer, and new product enhancements. TRMs are also there to assist with support escalations, working with the IGEL customer engineering team to provide additional background and/or coordination for IGEL's customer support resources. TRMs will assist customers in removing roadblocks to deployment and expanding the customer's target audience. Throughout these activities, the Advanced Services TRM becomes a trusted advisor to the customer. Because of this relationship, TRMs have a unique view into customer planning and strategy objectives when it comes to the growth of the IGEL product suite. TRMs are not a part of the IGEL sales team, but can grow the IGEL footprint over time with identifying new use cases for IGEL products. These opportunities, with the permission of the customer, are passed on to the IGEL sales team to build on existing purchases and expand the IGEL estate. Customers often ask what the TRM service can provide to their IGEL experience. Let's look at just some of the value-add activities an IGEL TRM can provide. As you can see, the Advanced Services TRM can wear many hats throughout the duration of a subscription year. At times, many of these activities are going on in parallel, which require the broad skill set necessary to be successful at the TRM role. Customers learn to leverage their TRM resources not only for IGEL-related activities, but also knowledge sharing regarding related technologies in the EUC space, as well as project management and deployment planning assistance. As it's impossible for any one individual to know everything about everything, TRMs provide their customers with access to the vast well of knowledge and experience found within IGEL's internal resources. The final advanced services offering is IGEL Education. The majority of IGEL education is delivered from our online e-learning platform, IGEL Academy, where you'll find content appropriate to your needs, whether you're completely new to IGEL or an experienced veteran looking for topical deep dives. After taking the courses, you'll have the opportunity to test yourself and earn an IGEL certification that you can be proud of. You might be asking why we think training is such an important part of the IGEL journey. You see, we believe that a well-trained customer translates into faster time to value, deeper satisfaction with our products, and a more complete realization of the customer's desired outcome. Overall, an essential factor in making any IGEL initiative a roaring success. Getting access to IGEL Academy is easy. Just go to learn.igel.com and click Register. Fill out the information requested and then wait to be approved, which usually happens within a business day. Once you have access, you're free to explore and learn. You'll find the formal training we're about to talk about, as well as content uploaded by our employees, partners, and customers. Maybe you have some expertise on a topic and would enjoy making a how-to video to share. All the tools you need are right in the platform, including a capture tool you can download. You can even consume training and contribute from the Go Learn app for your mobile device. The possibilities are endless. If you're technical, we highly recommend starting your journey with IGEL Certified Professional, or the ICP course. This course is completely free and will give you an excellent introduction into IGEL products using a combination of slides, lecture, and demonstration. When you're ready, you'll want to consider going to the next level in your journey by purchasing a subscription to IGEL Academy Premium. With this subscription, you get access to all of IGEL's premium training, starting with the IGEL Certified Engineer, or ICE course. This self-paced e-learning course takes your IGEL IQ to the next level, utilizing not only the standard slides, lecture, and demonstration, but also access to a live, on-demand virtual lab that you'll use to complete exercises designed to give you real hands-on experience with our products. After each major course you take on IGEL Academy, you'll have the opportunity to take the exam. If you pass and get your certification, you'll be able to instantly download your shiny new certificate. You'll take your place among an elite group of IT professionals all over the world. As part of your IGEL Academy Premium membership, you'll receive a steady flow of premium training content. After ICE, you will have access to our smaller, topical courses we call ICE Packs. As you can see, we have a number of these on the way before we release our next big certification course, called IGEL Certified Architect. The ICA course will move your knowledge on IGEL into the enterprise realm with high availability, load balancing, advanced troubleshooting, and deep dives on our enterprise management pack. You won't want to miss that. We're looking forward to seeing you on IGEL Academy. We can't wait to enable you for success with the best edge operating system in the world. That's why we call it Learning on the Edge. Well, that's all for advanced services and the great value this global team provides to our customers. Let's get on to the final division of customer experience, customer engineering. Of all the teams within the customer experience group, customer engineering, otherwise known as customer support, is the team you'll likely be interacting with the most. Why? Because the customer engineering team is your single point of contact for technical hurdles. Together, we'll walk shoulder to shoulder with you as we navigate through any challenges you might encounter. To serve the needs of our customers worldwide, we have engineers and offices strategically located around the globe. This allows our engineers to collaborate across all time zones and tap into the vast depth of knowledge and experience that can only come from an international team. Regardless of location, our engineers win together. Internally, we call this #OneIGEL. You can call it amazing. We often get asked, why should I trust customer engineering? Isn't it just the same as every other support team? Absolutely not. Our team is filled with engineers, not note takers and warm bodies. We are the experts in IGEL hardware and software. We also have a keen focus on end-user computing solutions to support the most often implemented solutions in the industry today. You can be confident our team has worked with your solution stack. We have direct access to all engineering departments within IGEL, allowing us to easily engage across all teams to resolve issues quickly, efficiently, and most importantly, correctly. Our engineers are all in-house, no outsourcing here. Why? Because we want our engineers to have the same level of ownership in your success as you do. You may have heard the following statement a lot lately, but it has been our motto even prior to 2020. We're here for you. We truly are. Customer experience is not only our overarching team name, but also our conviction, keeping our aim true and always keeping the customer in focus. If the previous slide didn't give you quite enough reasons to trust the customer engineering team, how does a Net Promoter Score of 47 strike you? So what is a Net Promoter Score? The Net Promoter Score is a metric used to measure the loyalty of customers to a particular company. The NPS score is measured with a single question survey and is reported with a number from -100 to +100. As you may guess, a higher score is desirable. Some examples from companies you may know: Facebook, a -21 score; Google, a +11 score; Toyota, a +33; and a highly rated automobile manufacturer, Mercedes-Benz, coming in at a +39. As you can imagine, we take our score very seriously. We are proud of our current Net Promoter Score, but we constantly strive to improve. We greatly value your feedback, both good and bad, so we can continue to improve the experience we deliver. Our support offerings are available in 3 distinct flavors, which can be chosen based on the level of support that you need: Select, Priority, and Priority Plus. You can see from this chart some of the key differences: number of named contacts, response time, and whether phone support and remote troubleshooting are available. The Select level of support is included with IGEL OS under Maintenance and is found to be suitable by many of our customers. But if you want an elevated level of support, Priority and Priority Plus are the way to go. Our Priority and Priority Plus support options provide an even more engaging experience with our engineers. Providing a rapid response time from our senior team, there is no better service available from the IGEL customer engineering team. Phone support, remote troubleshooting sessions, and a 24/7 critical hotline is what you get with our Priority Plus, ensuring the highest level of satisfaction in the rare case of a business-impacting issue. Customer engineering and priority support options are a winning combination, providing the best customer experience possible. Well, that about wraps things up for the customer experience team. We hope you've enjoyed hearing about our services, but even more importantly, we hope you've heard our passion for excellence and our commitment to providing you with the best possible experience with IGEL. Cheers.